sunshine day. Everybody do what you do. Your smile will bring a sunshiny day.
Everybody do what you do. Smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody do what you do. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
I was of a woman at the bed, your crow and some a chili pop back as so. I do your social baby at the Atuaso, the Asum, or Mighty as my Ghana. Midi the Kwame in the Acom Methodist for you, I'm ranting a D boy. Rest to the poor one. DJ Donzi, DJ Ziggy B, McFadden, Bella, Nafi, Parker Solomon. When I crowd, I did drive here the Bremo. I come drive my DNA. Yura a year Kofi and some for KB. When no young for what take ready at your church. Come say from Remo. And a Ghana Busman, this womb Ghana month celebrating Ghana. You better dry, ever born you. You can some there what your firm. I'm out for quite mayo. Now so Quemunia, no. You could pay more Bob way, say. Me. And God gave Solomon wisdom and understanding much more than sand on the seashore. And God gave Solomon wisdom and understanding much more than the sand on the seashore. And then you're saying, Yankopon, so no can say, Yansan in India, you meet me the judgment, dear. Obi anybody, near the 1 Kings chapter 4, verse 29. No me and Samba Pounds, Makuma Kumi and Sa. I Okuma Radio 97.1. No uniform boy, but sorry, you made the so. Nakofa news nature in Kawaba Bremo, na ye pon eba nesa. Obanimbo sumi editor so edunu. Efiem pimienu ni edunu eye miensa. Sabre de nyina teacher for lawyer for carpenter for mason for emamu nyina mo edamase de bi amutie edamase mama akwa bo.
Welcome with the Lord Aquaba on la rive. Welcome with the Lord Aquaba on la rive.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio 97.1. blazing. Media Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Mami wa young one. Sana majawasi yao. Najua Yesu wa mama braba sisa. Ena tumuona kwa.
Okuma Radio.
Sana majawasi yao. Najua Yesu wa mama braba sisa. Ena tumuona Everybody want Remobia. Inami want Remobia.
It's Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Inami want Remobia.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Obakufu mini obia, etina mami ye ya kanchi. Bidi mani tuo ni baso. Kanya mikini mi ye yo babra. Asimoni ba mwani ba. Ajunya mi kwana wadu. Ashia kwadi ye so my sister cry. Asisa, Aisha meshenya mi no. Ashia kwadi ye so. Jube umia mami wa ya mama. Yonsusu ya mama. Ube umia mami wa yo mama. Nafisema wonsu kasi yao. Ube umia mami wa yo mama. Ma yo mama. Ashama shama shama.
It's Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
My sister cry. My sister. Ashama shama mi no me shama di. Oh my sister. Adum cry.
Okuma Radio. It's Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Akufwenga migrando liba Tonienti ni bando miao Enyenda na mesana maria Anafanya mia surinia Enyenda na menimbe wazi yao Ama mafo bambara mia kojo
Nemo semi ni obia Chasie
Ashukru kuna nenya
Radio
87.1. Assistant cry Asisa, Basha Basha Namino, Jambadi, yes, so my sister. Nadum,
The 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio
97.1. Musaye Musa I drink my one quanching disease Usway Hemria
It's Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Hemria me and Moya to die and I am now in trouble. Now I'm for me. Oh, what did you hear? How got I miss you? Said, oh, Suoni, oh, we are and coming. What's Swami? Every attention of the sea, I'll put on you. Why you think I'm a junior me down was you. Wasami ya real, wakupami ute, wasami ya real. Midawasiyo, enjoy ya mie. Midawasiyo, Duzi.
It's Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Hey, yeah.
Your friend me Grace, Okuma Radio, you are the best, number one. Apora Mountain, so chedi come for. Yenshia Moa, and Kebede. Ruta, we are fantastic.
Even they say, baby, I would in your bedroom. Jimmy Tata, come see you. Ooh, Jay. I dear, why am I here so many? Show me what I come see you. Emma is so share, you're up to me. Now they say something of what them football went to me. Be burning, you know, free man remove. When you're so fucking Solomon boy, or brain was social move.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Did I see you? Oh, Jimmy, bye, what do you? Did I see you? Only question to see.
We are blazing.
Did I see you? Oh, just on your meal. Shamaras up what and tetias. Did I see you?
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Ojon to for besempo betmi wa kodu besia konkon maminka de waye dosu papa de waye ya braswa eso to linkata we nya mekan bamba fo awo boye nkuban de wrechichefo ne ye kwan kosan wo nyamia wo ye tetipotan de drewa ye mpanwe de biarada we o nyami o again da we nyami Sanu nyuma ye mwanwa Ebra gezi tiasieso Enya waka mana Kopi abaka meme nsempo Anso wajeme ye free Oyari ngumu Waduma madumbi adumbi Neme wonkwa Ni apumu mwa Meka sembra Asida Yeah Na
We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Alpha and Omega, universal creator, you worthy to receive glory and power forever. Oh, yeah, what's your nyame? Eba ufo nyane. Your tafu aboni potri di wobamwa esane. Wodonti na ube witimi emfa wone me bone. Oh, praise God. If you had no money, go, Mamu Yatina Wokumu.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Akunya searching report gidi. So me wo Yesu mudi. Asa kesinu nekuta mi muti jo tamfa sheshe na gidi. Waje si I was there I pray for. My bro wa for the daso. Nyami I was there you nyam they was that. Waje si I was there I pray for. My bro wa for the daso. Nyami I was there you nyam they was that. Make us a bro say that. Yeah. Na.
We are blazing.
He's able, my Lord is able to get me through. My Lord is able, He's able.
Station Radio Man Radio 97.1. Hey.
My Lord is able. He's able. My Lord is able to guide me through.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
My Lord is able. He's able. My Lord is able to guide me through. I know He's able. He's able. My Lord is able to guide me through.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Oh my Lord, lift the sick and walk upon the sea. Glory be to His name. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. My Lord is able, oh Lord, to guide me through. My Lord is able, He's able. My Lord is able to guide me through. My Lord is able. He's able, Lord is able to get me through. He healed the broken-hearted, set the captive free. Oh, my Lord, heal the sick and walk upon the sea. Glory be to His name. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. My Lord is able, oh Lord, to guide me through. My Lord is able, He's able. My Lord is able to guide me through. My Lord is able. He's able. My Lord is able. Oh Lord, to guide me through.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Hey, Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
I'm walking through the shadows of death. Oh Lord, I'm not scared, 'cause I know Thou with me. You heal my broken heart, oh Lord, and set the captives free. Oh God, glory be to His name. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. My Lord is able, oh Lord, to guide me through. My Lord is able. He's able, my Lord is able.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
He's able, my Lord is able to guide me through. My Lord is able, He's able. My Lord is able to guide me through. My Lord is able, He's able. My Lord is able.
Hey, Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio.
Me wanna know my song Jesus, Jesus, my song Jesus. Me wanna know my song Jesus, oh Jesus, my song Jesus. Me wanna know my song Jesus, oh Jesus, my song Jesus. Me wanna know, eja masumbo. Me wanna know my song Jesus, oh Jesus, my song Jesus. Me wanna know my song Jesus, hey Jesus, my song Jesus. Me wanna know my song Jesus, oh.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Nobody wants to see her anymore. I'm in a low pass, yes, I'm paying anymore.
We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Dr. Daku, any next war or what's next hospital? A young crime man, made a radic jam. My answer bring and I'm a mom.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio.
Me wanna you know, yeah, Jesus, me wanna you know, I jam my soul, me wanna you know, Jesus, me wanna you know, Jesus, me wanna you know, Jesus, me wanna you know, I jam my soul, me wanna you know.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
nyambiesha. So yes, in bread over, when you're in a soul. Yes, in bread over, my sorry.
Darling Sade, darling Sado.
Yes, right, I see it.
Darling Sade, darling Sado.
Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Tiffany, call me back. Nobody on your make you see. Tiffany, call me back. And let me make a come over. Yaka kaka yo, yaka titi yo. The body down low, Mahoya Miachi yo. And the minute you cry, yo, yes, you want me walk go.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
You're the Babano, I did your dream for Susudo. You're the Babano, I did your dream for me. The only Macunia, no Kayana, Baba Slow.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
We don't know whom we are until we find our own selves. We don't know whom we are until we find our own selves. Obia nim ne ho. Obia nim ne ho. Mejiri said that DJ Donzi wo bonum wo radio so ponko fie first day. Donzi be kai date no. Pon kai time no so. Ana me kai no. Ana me kai no. Obia nim no. Ziggy, I'm into we so ma. Ziggy, that we hear radio show first time. Wajaya mami date no. Edi sima saying Uba kaipa Wacha wonso awo fie mi bisa wasem bio eye cosign small cosign pe ebi ya ukunu oyire adwuma ukomu da pot ya ukọ adwuma nim da wuhia ukunu da wuhia oyire. We don't know ourselves yenim ye ho until we discover. Eti DJ Donzi ebonyum ahotise bia adwuma bia ba omo penipa na wono ye ma me fa me CD ye ma me fa afena oboaboa ne ho eya ho boa so ye na mu ne mpese me ka wi anyina ne say know yourself, know what you want, know what you like, know what you dislike. Ebari sa ema sitra ni abrabonu mu nyina ekwa prom. Ese donzo bi won ma odi aje koja na obi timi ka say hey asemasi we na ade ade koja ni obi kura tumi hu nia wo tie ese wan kasa enti asitra ye wo mu ni die abrabonu ya adane ete me kariti awon se obi ka bia ayati obi tufu a ayafa yesi adwene eni ba akofo tirim. We don't know ourselves. Until we discover. Until you discover. Until you discover. Enti abrabo ye namu no obi so betumi aboa amwa discover bibia wankasa wunnim se ewo mupo obi betumi aboa ana donzi me boa obi betumi aboa because yes Ghana coach bi ba ha Bugaziz what I need defender be a striker. So you don't know yourself until you discover, until you know, until you come to a point, until you come to a particular point and a particular place, then you know that this and this I can do, this and this I cannot do. One of the can me say, a man in a pet. Or can come with a man in a pet. Maybe some say, there be a miniature drop money, Mamma Iriana. Until you discover, you don't know yourself. And by you focusing your trust and you in a chair, they bring Achia. And in Tikwa Okono, and Po, baby Okono, Obia Kohon will be already been Oba, and to be Kabichawa, Ayeti, Nafa. Donzi, I be yes to sorry for your phone. Yes, say Oba ba kune go na buka chire so for say yes you are sorry. Omo nyini, omo Dominican na call. Me see you don't know yourself until something happen, until you meet somebody, until you come to a crossroad, then you see that you are a man or you are a woman. Asembi anto anka wo say wo ye bema. O ma me enwu a, o papa enwu a. Ka wo nim say sebi ebusuafo ne bi po asem, ebi mpe wo asem. Until something happens, you will not discover yourself. I just say BBS answer. Don't you? So unim driving. So unim driving minim. Namo BBC putupru. Ziki niwa. Pagwasi niwa. Imperi niwa. Obedi niwa. Ne come niwa. Any abaku betuka neke. Baku betuka neke. Until something happens. Erade nka ho. Na omehu senya wo tie. Senya memetie. Na yemfa mu abrabo ne kakran ko yanim abrabo ade senya ka akoka techemu ayepia nkakran na we di ne saba na we di saba na di 1 2 3 we will discover by the time we got 3 no ni yehun se ka na fia techenim akosi asase prara so erade mu aye we will discover that we have strength to do something. May you discover that you can do something for yourself. Know yourself and know what you can do. Discover yourself. We will not know ourselves until something happens. Jano Paul catch there as your phone said, say yes, we are sorry, and Kayani Ajidi phone mu mobrofo. Discover yourself. Unia ompe. Never to me, I know unia to me. Na fa kan brabo no ho na enko yeganim awiei onyankopon hyirawo na onte anim hyirawo na ome ensi oyi adomunti amen.
And 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Alcohol Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Mekora meneme hamwai Sani obi wa semwa Weni wukunu kao Nani obi wanto kwansu swa Weni wukunu kuo Wase mepe, manse nepe Wasi mi do Wase mepe, manse nepe Wasi mi do Mekora eneme nkuo Mekora meneme hamwai Sani obi wa semwa Weni wukunu kao Nani obi wanto kwansu swa Weni wukunu kuo Wase mepe, manse nepe Wasi mi do Wase mepe, manse nepe Wasi mi do Wase mepe, manse nepe Wasi mi do Wase mepe, manse nepe
Hey, station radio man Kenya Alcohol Radio 97.1.
Yeah, me man no winyo. Yeah, me man no winyo. Rababa masakataya. What ya obra siene nyanwa. I was so them. Nanya nu yenwe. Won fa baganya swanyo. Nanya nu yenwe. Which is what to go in no banana. Nanya nu yenwe. Which is what to go in no banana. We go to kunanya no. Our Pentecost you. Nanya nu yenwe. Won fa baganya swanyo. Nanya nu yenwe. Which is what to go in no banana. Yo homework you nana. Yo homework you. Yo homework you.
Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yo homework you. Yo homework you. Yo homework you. So bitopia, obidabene when you want it yo. So bitopia, obidabene when you want it yo. Me come on the kunu. Eti abobi. Me den kwampe. Eti abobi. Say me come on the kunu. Eti abobi. Me den kwampe. Eti abobi. Me wanna say guitar. Eti abobi.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Baby, I want my mule. Baby, I want my mule. It's your homework, you. Your homework, you. Your homework, you. Your homework, you.
The official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Sonny Obi was somewhere when you couldn't come. Now you want to come to swear when you couldn't go. Was say me pet, man said me pet, was see me go. Was say me pet, man said me pet, was see me go. Mekura and you make Mekura
Okuma Radio. Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Delilah Dadanu. Delilah Dadanu. Delilah Dadanu. All the women you me days. Delilah Dadanu. Delilah Dadanu. Delilah Dadanu. All the women you me days. Mama kume in your bro. Mama kume in your bro. Mama kume in your bro. Me days. And Mama kume in your bro. Mama kume in your bro. Mama kume in your bro. Me days. Mr. Me Obiba, Obi Timmy, Obi Wumi, Obi Disheba, na any son. Mr. Me Obiba, Obi Timmy, Obi Wumi, Obi Disheba, na any son. And all of the boy be nam, me move. Naga kina yanki, and all of the boy be nam, me move. Naga kina yanki.
Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
I'm very sweet. I'm power for baby Jenny. Hey, baby Jenny. Nani money blow. And only baby no me see me woo. Naga kina yanki. And Fama kume in your bro. Mama kume in your bro.
Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Mr. Me Obiba, Obi Timmy, Obi Wumi, Obi Disheba, na any son. Mr. Me Obiba, Obi Timmy, Obi Wumi.
Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
bele. Hey, my son, dear. Cement you what up. Hey, was son, dear. Say, what about you? What up, guy? Hey, my son, dear. Say, cement you what up.
Station with your man, Kenya. Come on, Radio 97.1.
Kumako and Crona no nine actually abo away fear animal a command drive. I know a sukusha would tell me did the Kwame Ziggy. Maybe I quote Ziggy said, I was awful. Nancy starts at maintain cat, Nancy Ziggy to Wasi, and then my mount. Uncle Ziggy, Jinkratue, Ziggy, Uncle Ziggy, Uncle Ziggy. Oh, Mama McFarley. Yaba, Yanyara Yabo. Ziggy, oh, that day, Ziggy, Jinkratuano. Star 787 hash. Star 787 hash. What's a year? What's a year? And now, and son of Donko and Mono. Now, a month for young and 1 year. Did they? One month for 1 year. The papa. That's a no. 100 Ghana cedis. Ticket back up and I'll do 2 no wedi. Madame Fubi Eddie or friends the Kwame when I'm saying numre and a Kwame Bam was to try me just 20. And a Ghana who could 20 Ghana. Shia Danzi and a Ghana who could 20 Ghana who your gun papa. Utimiko mommy's one more. Echo Tragum. If they see the joint in the bar neighbor. Joint in the bar neighbor. Now star 787 hash ni woman say agura aba sabi yenko gina kiosk ho ne yatwa we dey wa phone no so na je say what dial star 787 hash star 787 hash na amwa kwanya na watumi awuram ubawuram afedie obema kwanya ne bi watumi to ticket dodo bi a opɛ ticket dodo bi a wopɛ no oba beto na mu ne omu se e wo sika e wo phone so a phone so register the wo do e momo so anya wo twane se wo mu a dodo bi a beso twa bi on betumi ubawura so wo mu sa no wa ye utia ye Wutia ye papa. Esanse ubetumi adi. 10,000 Ghana cedis. And nay yes 100 million. Anopetutu ubetumi adi 100 million. Say passion. Na awia. As is what the 100 million. As a 200. Na fe raffle no so any nemu. Raffle the nemu. But we 5,000. 2,000, 3,000, 200 cedis, 500 cedis. And then your friend Anopa Kwo. Na fe jackpot nankasa no. Hey! And then na kwa me dey say wonya. TV so na mbe hu no je say wati nkense. And then 7 billion. And then 700,000 newly accepted golden choppable Ghana cedis. Star 787 hash. Agree the more de papa. Wo bia dibi asori mfo imam for carpenter mason doctors lawyers muso ti wo den fa wujimu o me come say Christianity it is not a religion for the poor. Nemo mama no maye. Because see Christiani, one more ball fast ya no ye. Na nkrofo bobo no mu Jessica. Na Christopher afebe so na e ba for ya. Yes you go invite your mumra. I'm going invite him for. And it fa wura mu me ma nkra to. Star 787 hash. Wo dale pe na udem. Na niaba ne say agent for so mu hia. And now Juma na me ma yi 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 and I face 0272 636448 star 7878 star 787 hash. Why you see can you da na hono yanko ya ni mu dia na nyame ya do na dun yan ya. Hey, Emmanuel, Messi, Wonipa, Wodi can pamatadi she nipa first, wo wiase, ayo nyankopon. Donzi, ni o pamatadi she nipa, ayo nyankopon. Enti se, wo ansa no adwuma e fa na de pamwa, woni nyankopon ye pe. Wa adwuni mu do pa. Madam for the masters ye chiamo, afi executives de ma Ghana National Tailors and Dressmakers Association, Equiapim North. Kropon branch. Yemfantumu nyina mo ni se nyame ya adomu a 1st of April 2023 anopo no ndu pepe momma no ye ma no ye nuanom a epamatade hye ye no won be pon wo mo ho na yewura dankwaku bodwe ka asem bi kire ye maame no ebire bi o se mato nsa frɛ me meba esanse nyamo a ana mo pamatade hye ye donzi ke nyina hu kusi sa bodamfo ya de pamfo de wo mo ane yen ane wo mo dwumadi e ba so yi yewura eye ke bi adawroma okomanfo ene okomanpanyini eta wo machi papa ne senti to safra wo fo nyina ene fofo nyina groups ahodo nyina samomra emeta mo manachi munuanu machi na yempon wono mo e wo ye Presby Junior School Park Ekropon Equiapim 1st April 2023 10 a.m. anopa ebrano anopa nondu obia mra secretary to safremo vice chairman executive net to safremo master abunum ema microphone antiado bianum munyina the Ghana Equiapim North appointment munyina momro na yemwa na momai omompon won mo ho esanu dwuma de eyo adepam o se ye pam ne efe 0244 944 429 and here chairman there and a secretary 0243 248 429 secretary there so eneno adepam was here pam ne efe akasimani mienu na Basolo etnase na amafo bisam se ja wo de oyade no de da wo mabi ana se da no de nka me ba Kwame Isaac adawro na mantumi ama na wo de mituamu wo de Easter on the mountains o say yeah patapa na eba no patapa eba Dre or say one corner, one corner, one corner. Dre one corner, one corner, one corner. Now Louis or this. And I feel duro. I feel obrafo. Ghana rap software. Woman, you know the money chilling. A few ways so I will crop work with him. I want you superb lunch. A bayer de papa. Now your capital F, capital R, capital E, capital E. A free. The Equiapim Mountains Easter Wave 2023. And I'm about to actually know. Patapa Eba, Obrafo Eba, Duro Eba, and I feel the way I got so Eba. And your children's service. Now, Yamia Duma 7th, you know. All black Aquaba night. All black Aquaba night. Superb lunch. Now, if you're on the 8th, you know, say artist and comedy night. On the 8th, you know, artist and comedy night. And if you're on the 9th, you know, Easter fiesta. Superb lunch. A crop work with him. A bayer de, a bayer gim, a bayer boom fragate. Who's a command the Hujimua. Now, dear Nabo, Nene, or commanded in Wajimu, or commanded in Wajimu, superb lunch, bayer de, Easter bayer de dia, and one is a copiamo, yeah. Superb. A crop work with him. Easter bayer de, a bayer boom fragate. Superb lunch to check us here, the mamma pa. Sabrina said, yeah. The man with the romantic voice. Yebre enkoye afedi atokono aje abai Solo you try to now. Solo you try to. Yeah. Udem. Try to na. Papa bi wadu krom na. First na ebo ban no. Onko kan ni to say kema yakun.
Eza hwe na
abodwi. Unse try to no ne kema yakun no. Yeah. So now we.
Oh, the only man to hear what matter is Asafo.
Yeah.
Moba dia obo wiase nyina na adom. Me huye.
Adana me hu atwa yi ase se wusuye ma de to so.
Oh, me di areho. Pa.
Atade nso efe.
Me da se.
Oba na pam na be ma.
So efe.
Mo. Oba na pam wo de na. Okay. Na dan me ko shia ko suya o. Enra.
Akosia.
Enzano. Zana me ko dan me ka.
Oh, okay.
Ko dan me ka minimum ho. Na ko pia ko sia so. Na ye bobo nso yakoye.
Ko weekend we. Oh, nyame hira mo.
Me ko to ono de ono. Aye bobo ne mba abusuafo ne ade. Ofe Maxwell. Oh. Yes you tie nim kama.
Say adwuma no dose nti ye chichiche mu sa.
Samo mo ko yi. Say ukoda say ukokuma si o.
Baba yara de den say ye ko commentary na. Oh ye ba tuja. That was that ye ba tuja no pa.
Okay we that's we gina ayi na.
We in South Korea na. Okay.
Solo.
Say yakopa your coach no huntaman.
Okay. Ayi hitting no. Cresuti.
Na nkomo de abana.
Mayanko Adaroma.
Abusia yama wa jo na yama wa kwa ba yamfa mra okuma radio 97.1 enso emra so se nwumre ya tenase agudie mu nsama ya nsaka na ya de bedan wo na hu se ne nsam no ete edoso na so ne se fata no ena abribia ya tenase ya de eba na wa hu se ne ya enso ete midin na the power solo paradise, and of course the guy with the romantic voice on your radio ena nwumre ma tenase ede nsam no ede eba crop ya sante AK the boss player omu na ta akyire anwumre ene yɛde nsɛm ahoro yɛde basa so na ɔkɔre agyeman ɔmuna ɛka ho anwumre yɛnkɔ Facebook Okuma Radio 97.1 Facebook YouTube Okuma Radio 97.1 ne nyina no wobɛhu yɛn ɛwɔ hɔ do ɔnom a YouTube no na wa subscribe kama afei woba Facebook a ɛhɔ nom nso no na wa like page no na wo de comment agu hɔ na wa san so ahye ama wunia enso enya bia ahye baby biara wo ni na no aseda no nkɔ emfema DJ Ziggy B ono so na etutu nioma ede ama yɛn ɛwɔ Facebook o enwume yatena se yɛde nsam no ede eba Black Stars head coach Chris Houghton na yɛda na di kura de kyerɛ wiase afa na nyina ɛsɛ ono na yɛyi no sɛ wɔmra medi Black Stars enim na ne mandate ne ɛsɛn yɛde ni na no ede eba na wahu sɛ ne a ɛteɛ nkɔmɔ no ɛyɛ bebree ɛna Chris Houghton ɛne Black Stars nkɔmɔ nti fakyame ɔkyena metrase a Ghana fo mranteɛ amusi akan ɛwɔ amanfo nkro so no sɛ na adwoada anwumre bia me yɛ no ɔkyena ɛna me de bɛba esan sɛ Chris Houghton ne Black Stars nkɔmɔ no ɛdɔso ɛho hia pa enti ɔsɛ ɛno no minya brɛ na afɛ me di wura mu na me de ɛba na wo so hu sɛ nea ɛteɛ enti ɔkyena anwumre metrase a me de Ghana fo ne mranteɛ no ɛho nkɔmɔ ɛnso de bɛba na wo hu sɛ nea ɛteɛ enti yɛnkɔ Facebook sɛ ya ne ɛhyɛ nsɛm no asɛn fɛma ma me mfi asɛ wɔ amanɔne ɛnɛ esan sɛ Black Stars nsɛm no nti me kwa amanɔne ketewa bi na afɛ me de Black Stars deɛ no aba betwa toɔ ɛnso tumi de ama na okwa amanɔne a England for squad a omde yakwa akobom eye Euros 2024 qualifiers no amante mienu no mu wo Mason Mount and afei abanta ni de Marcus Rashford no mu na eka squad no then so any coach and the Gareth Southgate e de ababeto abonten say sad two players way and so squad no watumi ayomudi e de afremu ni na ne say mante na sentem injury kakra and so etumi ahomo na ohwe endra game ama United boy ya Marcus Rashford epic injury e Montino, ya yini din enso to me the free man squad no on ka hu biema onkonko jamu nsi akan enfema omaya ni di England international break no Abranta and the Mason Mount and the Marcus Rashford almost into me and Kobe okwa Sevilla team na kache a and then almost transe planner Sevilla team no plan say coach ni di George Sampaoli coach no ombe yina free adwuma no so na omape coach foforo san say modern one na say wo fam enioma enso enkoyie na Chelsea team no akache obaka weekend way na no fiada en the memende ye na ye nua Cristiano Ronaldo ye pen kra bia na okobo Chelsea so kakra okọ Chelsea pa de wan shada enya playing time more no ho na emom ye de ne toto loan na enti o ye former Chelsea player Chelsea team no enso ababonten akasa almost say weekend Jersey players na share e de ball Everton game no omo shen Jersey no so omo eton na omo dey raise fan na fe omo dey aba be wuram e wo ye nua Cristiano Ronaldo ni school a ono so esi e wo memu ano se sika no mbenya ni na no omo dey eba be wura ni school no enso esi enim na fe omo ahwese school no omo be complete ne kra eno so ye nkoma e fi Chelsea enso akache dey eba ena nwumre ye te ho enso etumi ede amawo na wanhu senia etie Ziggy afa yanko dikan emame Baba Yara Sports Stadium no Ziggy mami Baba Yara Sports Stadium no enso e Facebook na yenhwe brabehwe state of Ghana yen stadium a yen o man de Angola enso ebesi so akan no Baba Yara Sports Stadium oba Facebook a obeba be ho sese mpanyifo enso tomu be na otwemienu enie ena omo atumo grass no aye green kama ena fe omugo so etoto nioma bibia aye kama e wo stadium oba eho ye fe pa Baba Yara aye fe enti eba be hosti Ghana versus Angola African Cup of Nations 2023 qualifiers no Ghana and Angola na ebo eno match date 4 na ye hwe anim se nkunim no ebe kutumi akonkan dem Black Stars enso ho nto ba Facebook a obeba be hu se Ziggy B e de ato no mbra be hwe Baba Yara ayefe nkongwa no colorful one pa yellow green and afa red no ni na wom and star black no and so ye de aye baby enso ewo nkonwa nima ni na didam kama grass no so ye green enso ewo ho no baby a players na ne coaches ne so betra ne de empanifo enso guso esi ho bibia kama Baba Yara enso ye ready for Ghana and Angola game na and anwumre yɛde ahɔ nkɔmɔ ɛnso etumi yɛde ɛma wa afei yɛnkɔ coach Chris Wooten ɔno nso ne nkɔmɔ no ɛnso emu coach Chris Wooten nkɔmɔ ahorow a ɔno nso etumi yɛdi yɛ ɛde ɛma yɛ ɛnso ɛmra yɛ pa ne ho ntama no ɛnɛ ɛna yɛtumi ɛda n'adi ɛde yɛkyerɛ wiase nyinaa sɛ ɔno ɛna ɛba bɛ lead Black Stars ɛnso etumi akɔ bɔhyɛ asase no so na contract ɛde ma coach Chris Wooten no ɛnso enie ɛyɛ less than ɛyɛ 24 months. Contract any idea ma coach no less than 24 months contract enti eno contract ya de ma coach no be say 1.5 year bi de any idea ma coach Chris Wooten no contract no e be ba we ye na me aduma 31st December 2024 and now coach Chris Wooten no contract and so ebebe wiye ewo Ghana and so hanu mu senti eno eya hwehwe no kakra said yete na yenko Facebook no so na yenti kan enhwehwe nkoma horo a papa no enso etumi edi ya kire yen ni edi kan o say we have short medium and long term objectives enti ensomtwefo bisa no asa wono oba be win trophies e dia ma Ghana na ana ka cha yen say yan dia obetumi win trophy bia e dia ma Ghana say ye na ono de o ni say coaching ya was short ya was medium and have a long term objectives say no ono wo hwe no contract a ye dia ma ne na say e short term and ye dia ma no Ghana so wo players a omomademo no wosoro na emom onu coach no oba behwe abuild solid team a ebetumi a compete ewo tournament bia enso emo ento Facebook azigi e de ato say ni na so e da hono mo a o say no ebetumi akonkan enso etumi de ama Ghana say obe win trophy pa de ama yen de eno de lalai enya de say ya no obetumi e win trophy enso etumi e de ama oman Ghana eno eye coach a ni din enso de Chris Wooten eno de ato and afa o say we want to see a winning team. There can be a lot of questions about being too defensive or being too offensive, but what we want to see is a team that wins football games. It was no you beside the Ghana squad no and ever trophy in some and also no or person on team or metumi compete no more winning games but set trophy in the party la me coach me ne ya adwe ready say ya party ye to me winning trophy bia et Chris Wooten eso no and afei osan say obe spend more time and so Ghana obetena Ghana ha che obetena Ghana ache no ahwe Ghana Premier League matches no scouting players and so GP on him say be ya obenya good team and so our senior national soccer team no and so akache Chris Wooten and so no yes and beside the relationship and so also be a technical advisor at the Emma team no and no buano Emma who players no who eye mpanyifo ahoro mo ben team no into oni omayonko fa sam de bibia de dadin and so our Black Stars and so akache the contract no medical aka say a short medium and long term and also ye wo na mo no ye man short term it is short term ayede man no kire say also tumi ahwe yie no ma ye team a omuso betumi awini trophy na so mbeye solid team a omukọ games ahuro ma o betumi awini games trophy there o se ye o start e dey fi qualifies no ye fi qualifies and say ye be hu say betumi age trophy it won qualify for tournament utumi nkwaje trophy into o sha say dey fi qualifies no me Chris Wooten adwen pa on qualifier untumi nje trophy ye bisa le for Mohamed Kudus position obebo no ho o se Kudus no otumi bo ba bia ewanim ho na e wo se ye sheda e man position a the hodom no ye benya best of no into no so be make sure say Mohamed Kudus and so benya position a obeba Ghana ye benya best of Mohamed Kudus ye bisa ne sama de for Thomas Partey enso eho Partey so otre ye say oya Partey modem a abrata modem wo soro ene ne omo hwa nim say ono so eba no nyama betumi akonkan enso tumi adema na modem odanadi ewo club side no oba Ghana eno so nyama betumi akoyie enso ehonti coach Chris Wooten enso no nsam no medisi nemom GFA fo enhyehyem no after say ya unveil coach Chris Wooten awie no nyame adoma 23rd of a match ya wada ehono no na Ghana so ebo Angola no ye wi a na 24th ɛno yɛ Friday under 23 ɛnso ɛwɔ first leg for under 23 AFCON qualifiers ɛno nso no yɛkɔ Algeria nti Algeria versus Ghana ɛna ɛbɛba so 24th match na afei yɛwura mu 27th Angola versus Ghana ɛne yɛ Black Stars ɛno nso no ɛbɛba so ɛnso ɛwɔ Angola na afei ɛyɛ 28 no Ghana versus Algeria under 23 no ɛno nso yɛabɔ ɛnso ɛwɔ Babanyara nti wei yɛ hyehyɛ ɛwɔ hɔ ɛde yɛ ma ɛyɛ Ghana Football Association mekɔ na Dima hwɛ Facebook wɔ Ziggy Fahas for goal now ɔmo de hyɛ Kotoku Royals no ɛto Facebook Dima hwɛ hɔ ɛyɛ free kick na ball wei deɛ Osha ne wa hono no aka kyerɛ me na fe me de asɔre so Ziggy de to so
mem ɛyɛ fa number no ma me send o videos bi nso fi so menya so fo bi oyɛ gay ai sisiana menua ba konde
o de asend o aha etu Ziggy de ato Facebook hwɛ ball ni din na kyerɛ me sɛ uhu bibi wɔ ho a ka kyerɛ me uhu hwɛ nso a ka kyerɛ me na
even na hye ɛyɛ blue no
no yɛ Kotoku Royals Kotoku Royals for na share blue no and it has for na share rainbow colors no has na share rainbow colors no na yɛ free kick and has team no enya yɛ omunya free kick no and share position of linesman no na your position of referee no na your position of has player or head the ball no e de share na bibi wo ho a ka kire me
solo me de bia maka me hwe Kotoku fo no kakra bi wo de hom ni ball pa go de clean off
oh hwe ball no
so wo hwe offside we de clean clean
ye ni VAR wa ha
na say referee Koninya sa Italian referee Sakura man arguably I stand to be corrected the best referee so far on planet Earth although say we just referee or say you use your discretion, not a machine to talk for you.
And yeah, born a born ye ni VAR. Enti ye referees no kwan be no mo fa so position mo.
We waje kakra.
Everyone had you, especially assistant referee na. No jira ho no. Landsman no. Ni position na e poor.
Omu say Kotoku for them meka me hwe match omu ni mbobo. But I say nema we na entimi mo omu. We just say offside waje eno ano no.
Enti you say has
o de waje video na hwe bi na e sofo no o so menya na so menya police for ense tumi aka say sofo no o ye gay say gay for na ne mema ne mada no wa ho
gay for no oni be ma ne yonko beri ma
ya me kan say
o say mema ne ma
okay say Oba
da enu ye lesbian
bien
ena be ma da enu na ye gay
ana me say enu ye gay
o wo so ma Ziggy ana nko de to
hey
ana ntumi
so ni ma wo fo wo so no
sa
ese wani me de ba kire o pesolo me de ba je hwe
ena sofo
ba je hwe na
so we ya o de farmer me wa
ba je hwe me
farmer producer no
mo
sofo pa
enti kwaku na de send me anopai o de ba je na okwa hwe ni nyina why nyame sha hwe ni nyina baba yo why na asori we ukobia asori we ukobia oyire kwa sa asori we ya asori we so menya
anu ni
mi ti hwe anu ape me ye sori ye Jonesy anu anu no why anu anu no so ja no
so for na we in the top
na solo ya meja de na fi wonsem
o da bi se mi pese mi
solo ya meje afi wonsem solo ye hehe ya meja afi wonsem ade we e ba ye no ade we ba ye no obi ahu ye na oyire kwa so we bia ma odue
ha
sa so we so oyire kobi e wa kwapin potem ha
emiani na ye
kwa so kuta videos no man intro mo kwasi aje na cheche mu no aje kwasi aje na yo video ensaka osofu mu yo
we dey want to Facebook
dabi
I for
me twa me ho aba
emiani na ye lesbian for nke ya gba so di no
yo
me man so ye gay
Say you can say Dominion herbal powder emma immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na ne senti wo tadi yare sun kunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o.
Don the fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yesi me say
Dominion herbal powder de minia enya amanfo adanse enti na me kanfo ne aye wo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene mente ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no na da ho no Dominion herbal powder enuanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase bia gumu wo twa nseti yanom wawie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo aba atom mo manufo ene kwada woni mfie dum ye ne de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum.
Oh la la! Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company in penny for say. Enya cement in blossom kunu waton. Ubomodia the weni choma share. Gubenya eya building equipment. Sambiro paso do call site ahodo. Concrete product. Anelfo almost supply abo anwea. Anelfo bibi biara wo pebia wo building site wo. Kaiser almost so dia into real estate development and so. It would dino paso upeja in tempa. Wo fra Ofla Construction Limited Company. Wo bejo so. For any chino obosuma sie kwapem. Amono make up him Koforidia Asunjay Junction was Sabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 9012954. Book on social media handles in Ofla Construction Limited Company was Erekomo Kaisamu free delivery baby I will be and phone Yebekwa Kojawan Tempara Senya Ofla dia and there you are not building. Kayo sa Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property our priority.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Sankofa ukofa yenchi no crap one out boy isika Sydney Castro Kawuda na no hineba what David that's what yeah we don't stop we don't quit we don't stop we don't quit here we go now black and white, baby, I ain't planning to abuse black and white, baby, I ain't planning to abuse Kakayana Messi, I want to take up so I am Monsieur, that's it. I'm not wait every year, and I do not come and see you don't post no me one more Makukobi dear Sydney or don't post no me one and show me what show the make up boy me address you come what no be near yeah Makuma the prega set bongo and the grow show take up afei atumi asukom me hu yanka na ga chiro my sweet tintes some breath I don't feel my no come off no e bana Joshua no amwasa kokuno me nu mi wo kewo say no ba kokompo ye e see me akwa kokumi kude on famenya hwe wo bu me se praye meeting is show na yen studio Rockstone best maka adepekura wo hu age say yen twaboa o sika brand mamoa fire point fire share me ni simple anybody be aso an wo come kwa dey na pena homa senicon bit to am ya race I go farm my glaze awade gidi in the hess me ma hye nyina sa wo be gidi and chen grass be ya o free o kodwemu at your flawless me ya den koka doctor on me case ebo the party to us I want black and white baby I ain't planning to abuse my so me gala TV I got
Okumaini, Diani, Yakramuche. And the next song called What Is Rockin'. We are blazing. Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Anyway, men no champagne. Adonko, Ayefura, Eye Dondo.
Blaze it. Station where the man Kenya, Kuma Radio 97.1.
Asanga ya kodwa ya ho aba mbreyi de no nanga bo aba wonsima adiasa ba ko wo yengfia na oba won fefo bella de me prehwehwe woni via hwe sima bia o hwe ne ho ena so okọ mampon madawro ma so okọ mo chire ho anoko hospital ho anoko kurom ho wie na wie muka yedabela asese wanko so menya asofu gay wani mu aguase yemfa roko no ntum yakwa mampon a yewo kasola manfi ayakwa achi amono krom ye salo akura pon di yentumi akura pon saf abrama mani hanani adubiadi emabahimani mantini kwaminumuni antinansi ni yewura kwasi flowers ni akura di yentumi mo asokwafu ni yanka ina ni enyaina akura engineer ozu yechiao Amonovilo. Hey, Safori, incoming assembly member. Nasabiyoma. That's right. Ibedigwa Nanzana no. Yego TV as in some Mati say, Benna boy was say Istanbul. UEFA Champions League finals no ono be who nyom. Please don't go. I wonder where you work at that. Please don't. Hey, Manfin, me the fee you architect. Bella?
Didi.
How are you, please?
I'm fine.
Hello. I miss you.
I miss you too.
Yes, I miss you, Papa. I kiss you.
You are looking good.
I'm looking.
You're looking good.
What if I'm not looking good? Yes, okay, my say.
Why you fail?
Me brofo no kana manhwe maso ya menti o.
So brofo wuti pa. Na bibi aboko.
Oh, kwa me di beka Yehowa ma me fa nkrofo nkwe de ehun ye.
No ho aye fe. No aye fo akere se na ye juada. Juada du se pepe pa no amema so kama pa.
Ghana man me peda akura me franta na me ntama na mu ato nti me kan preko.
Ye obanimu won
Yeah, Ghana me franta ma. Maybe be a Yauda.
Yauda. Yeah, fan entry be ma.
And you na me wo. And you an tamam. Na me be politin bag. Me be politin bag ma ba. Yeah. Yo. Na me friend wana bana ngramata. Ngramata. Na ngramata banta manu ko. Mi ya sin tamam ba ko fe o.
E trasa wo ja tamam ma krama no.
Ayade.
Na sa krama be je tamam ni so be kawo. Na obe ma yare de na ope.
Obe ma yare be je tamam ma no. Na if you can't man ko stress ya.
Na so manya fo aye.
Osofo. Sebe akoyi ne hu agogu ne hu ani ma ase. Osofo ne ege.
E mo nyame
wai ni hu nyina na. Osofo na kisa me wa famu no. Ye na so menya police fo ase. Wan ya de papa. Wan ya de. Police fo hanum police fo ye kropon police nso ense na wan ase. Wo so ya de. Ya se nye wan kada no. Obi ebe si mu ye.
Ni esi ye omudi makotini ye pa. Jese omo bo adwuma nyame nhira wo.
Debi o ka se merimenye se yampo.
Sa me kan na oni mi de.
Zigi nti ase se merimenye. Na o papa ka ho. Yo. My
God. I won't person bet my say.
No, I didn't say.
No grab ba ko pe. Enwa me nuano ma me chiamo. Na me
mama kini bra wanu kakra
mo hwe mo so ye na mama mani na ho sa bo wo mate ase aha enwa na maka kire mo no mo hwe mo so ye ebe boa mo medama na di ma fi etiefo ye pa ma me chia won
won so obisa wasi o ton to gba yi dokun fu yi Abraham ize yanse kura de manya two joints
o sir
mati
etwa so de me ko
Auntie Grace
also the me call
Auntie Grace no post office ya Martin so area
Nadi ene na me frama mu bebre se ye nua be ma kidi
oka na ma aka no brofo
okay yo se dia
oka na ma aka no brofo
it's ene na bebre won frama mu se ye nua be ma kidi ni otu say cheese take a picture and if I leave you me thunder fire you be me and now from him say ya dia stroke ya lea kano.
Okay, to we say it is walking in the wind that our brother which musician if you fire me thunder fire side rheumatism has captured him.
Enti na no mu na ye nua be man din ye di Mr. Nuama afi mu no ya dia ono kra no eba no NDC amonyoko ni mu a ogina gidigidi pa enya agro enu mu na enadafo pa so ni eye kidi ena kidi zo na nim se ne manager meka manager ni a ohwe ne so re Rich Mensa aba bonti abeka se ya de akidi onya stroke bia na ne ho odin ye ne yekase kra de oni o my Ghana mu na nka wanya stroke anka obetina Ghana so oprekra so beba Ghana isanse nsema etwetwa guo nti na wa matiefo nyina hu se onyare ne ho odin ye ne ba bi kaka na edofodofo no but ya de stroke die onya stroke matiefo mo koma ntomo ye
and you say first ne hina Nuama
Fred Nuama
Fred Nuama no say kidney nya stroke bia no.
Oh nya stroke.
It's alleging that Fred Nuama is talking point that no stroke for kidney.
Hey, D.
Yeah.
Now, where we?
Maybe. That's a kidney just stroke.
Kidney. I'm off for do kidney in a mesremo. Minim some mo yamo shishamo, son saying some amotin tip. Now, someone can say, yatism. Ya atisem ne ne keka ka mesremo kidney warding. Na stroke would be ankan. Eye ne ho na defe no kakra. Na so no. Ya dia stroke die onya stroke tie phone come akoma emfa ento yem.
It's not true that stroke is a kidney, but people stomach is like that. So all stomach also, please relax.
Okay, but that's it. No me twaswa eney abemwe be your friend runner. Your friend runner eney nyame ya dom atene sakese won ma nyina so ene say ye ka say onye obi yire ekodi mpam agro ene nyame a won pa de bone wabomodin a ma ya chi abemwe ne ye chi no wonim ye chi ne pe na mafo say David obi de wo ne hwan ya kofo obi yire pania won hu tai ya cars eyusu ye tai ye bi tai no ye chichire ne ko mezi ne nase ene nyame nko a
Rana autonyum no.
Debbie, and you ran out. Run away the autonyum now off a man for the
okay, on a Juma yarn, a Juma yarn, not as a wood see more, a Juma idea what tie ye. Oh, who say who couldn't Juma pet no affair she wants is a boy and granny or young ones. Vichabua, Camerion. You one, no, I bet them root, then your Juma would diano. And then Yamion pa at the bonny, Yamion pa the bonny. Obomodi Yamia chia branted near no so pet. And now Cromo for said Debbie, and I actually with ye, and I didn't find one chow. Yes, it's a tie goony tree abesin in as a time Macumba bedu. And I can your best sin any munano. Penna, your friend, a ya police phone or mobile pepper, yes, Debbie, Mumu, Shana, my farm ran on yeding, and Shamusem. Sassy, Yachin, pepper pa. Aso twa fata say the man no ya dead be man no nti omuti ase omugya no nti no yanko nyo kane what he says too much please that's all nyo kane wadodo nothing yeah me omati men kan bro for yeah wadodo it's too longative
enti when you sua de am obi bia asema me kesi wo Ghana he ya na bibi nti me mo kro ni din mesra mo Bible kura kan say shona wa mo wani amre wo yonko yere meboa wo ye so
oh yeah
aha
mrasem bi na wo
yere die ompe ho asem a mesra wo e ma do so kura se mema meboa
yampa
enti no
mo do so sen ye
do so sen mo bebre
di wanka se mo mfa ma kwa
yere die mesra wo mi enko ho ma ye do so
okay
biti ye me ware
okay
enti no e ma do so bebre enkofu di obi yire achi ma unkohia wa kwanhia wu achese emfa hwe emre wo ma do so kope wo de na entumi emwa ye pa enti di the run na ye no na ye be ma na so twe ese ne fata no enya suade emfa mo obi bia na me ma ba ko na me de awie we ye eye efie wura bi Bema wo nani afi.
Ewuya enne no ebeto Ghana it's a Ghana man. Patriotic song back you give me one patriotic song.
Di ube meti for asreme.
Oh. Inti untimi ntu yangara assassin ko untimi.
Ah me. Na some ujimi di me ya de ke.
Okay.
Enti di ye papa ye oye efie wura. Wodi mfisha ye drosun enum. Edwosun enum 75 years. And say abawe bi a wedding fisha ye aduasa miensa ene natifie na say light bill eba pepepe no cha na ye ntokwa e wo fie ho na when na eye kwesi da etwa mu ye nra light bill ba pepepe na papa ibo modern no checheye e mo bia nsaka ne dia abawe ni nsaka ne dia pepe odi ebufo pa ko fie ra yi so adana wa mama light bill ne board de ne sa ada na me yusu eden na me wo me dem ho anti a wo di sika kakakra sa mama akasa kasa se o mienu tempe na bayo na twe ne sa ede ko so efie rai ne empefo mo fan cheme ne be mem ena o twe ne se tatatata afa munum ho na papa ni su ya ne tetre
be ne tetre
o hwe pe no twa hwe ye de no do ayara sabia na chese wa ya media mesremo if you're rough for me,
what if you oh,
Assembia by your best stress,
it's uncalled
to Boise.
Where the church more brofum.
Yeah.
It's two people, one landlord and one tenant. A misunderstanding of the light bill. And then the one living in the house, he hold the landlord peninsula, it drag, and then it evaporates on the eye of the landlord. Then
it do what?
It evaporates. Evaporate on the eye of the landlord. Then it collapses. Taken to the hospital by minutes, God called the landlord.
What's a brothel pal? Let me come in much.
Yeah, you do that. Okay.
Now, brothel,
okay. You know, you may be. You born your back will be. There is a man for me to me at you. Your back will pay me a bebo.
Sure.
Back will pay 80 men's and in back will pay.
Sure.
Yeah. Now, one can answer about 2 men's and now so they what the opposite to know. About you know the back up now. Mommy, any patriotic song. Any patriotic song. What do I say?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm say name to me at
pa.
Name to me at pa. Yeah. Yenara
assassin. Yes. Okay, yankwe.
Yenara assassin.
Ngayabo didi maye mujana na shegunya so maye edumi ni wososo seyebe yebia twaso nimdia twaso ko Jesus mesemi kuminya adam yemrem yes azu do atumse Ampara Angel now say oh man fobra nature Sabeye yo Sarinye yo Now say oh man fobra nature Amen. Let me say my Inti na yema wunwom baako na obekire ne oto say anyu na fe won so patriotic song bi a wonim me ka say wo school president here to nyum baako me refi is the nation cry for you we shall use our to and throw we shall use our to and pray we shall fight and sweat for victory in the name of Ghana. Won't say that? Bella pa, one go press school. Is the future. What I mean, me go school. Never where I'm to catch. You know, don't do guy.
Where the baby say?
Won't say that?
Hey, don't say something there. Then you mean you want to watch?
Sir,
and you want to watch?
We shall use our to the entry. We shall use
our hands.
Yeah, I'm missing me. To the and pray. We shall use. Maybe that's you know. Yes. Yeah. I do it, but that is song. Yes, any out you know. Yeah. Yeah. Correct. What you? Why are the papa? Did you miss it out? What you say? Good. Internet. If I patriotic song be okay. Na ababeto your Ghana. Busumi ana onyum biara wo school wo kai se eye Ghana nyum amoto mo breso na e ma Ghana fa ne ntama pafira a wo kai no ne na ebeye kama ha na di netumi akonka nti bella ye bada was papa
Miss does not part bena na auto
any friend
un say ye was soprano ye were auto ye were tenor ne obase
I was singing cacophony cacophony yeah
me that's it.
This day will never be forgotten, the 6th of March 1957, when the Gold Coast successfully get their independence officially. Ghana is the name. Ghana, we wish to proclaim, we will be jolly, merry and gay, the 6th of March, Independence Day. Dr. Father Nkrumah went out his way to make the
Okuma Radio
Coast what it is today. He endeavored continually to bring us freedom and liberty. Ghana, Ghana is the name. Ghana, we wish to proclaim we will be jolly, merry and gay the 6th of March, Independence Day.
This is a new year. Yere boy, a Kyle Bibi. Ebi kura wuntim ntokura Kyle Bibi. Za what you say? Ya pese yehwe tete Ghana fu nyom ne ade dey me kan patriotic songs nyom a tete no na ewo ho a moto bi wo school then ya meto ya me refi me di correct enti antedana nom me no twu anom eye odi kronom Ghana nyom tete no so we are brand kura na kai bia so betu abatu bia fam what you say I say ye koyin anima ne sa me kai abrant ba ku nyom pa ye me den all for you yes
red gold
na sabri no ye fa sida enfama eye Kwasibia hotel na Kwasibia hotel se me fa nto wani mi say
we wish to proclaim
weekend yi obekwa infa modern na bra won aso ye ho na oba obedu won aso ye ho no a the cultural praying when you bejo papa or premium suit and no any DSTV na full k na nam so be my personal butler obi obehwe won san dia ma ho afi kitchenette bakaza pese wo ye wuti bi chi wonko hwea bi ni ade eno so wo ho no a obetimi dia asom wo afi wo guest washroom ebi a wo ho no obi abesra wo mpese ebi obewura inside ho a anu ya no ho abaako bi wo ho na wo dia ma ho ho a obehwe wo no anu achi wo junior suit eno say any DSTV na fe mini bar na enam fe all deluxe plus eno so any DSTV no enam afi anu achi wo deluxe mini eno so any DSTV na enam afi conference hall a won sesiem kama wo de conference ma ni ye asorefo teacherfo mason carpenterfo end of the year annual meeting between akwa ye ho no mo Methodist Football Conference or President Subeko session ho I let me akonkan swimming pool wo ho no mo directors igina ho na obetumi a kire ose ne wodware nsu no wo event center edema all other event or ye wie so your wedding kama betumi akwa ye ho no mo yama aba sokoko papa da aye papa samba papa sobo yankwa for you it all for you hey
all for you
Ghana busumi yari ya hu bi papa
you papa I dey wait you mommy
it nyomu say o ka ni oboy nyomu say ubetumi ato ana now can your boy so that's right
all for you
na Kwasibia hotel danu memenda mise esewani it resemble your eyes banabehwa ade anya bete o Ghana Immigration Band for boy papa na watching so ebe tiemu obio
all for you
booking and reservation Mbacho Misopi Kwasibia hotel or Barbados 1 Quantum Sierra 0200 083 434 0200 083 434 and after 0300 030 39 61 989 Kwasibia hotel papa na makamfo dia mausano
all for you it is all for you it is all for you I dey wait you papa I dey wait you mommy I dey wait you papa
he say okukudrufo nana ampem dako o say I'm enjoying your show keep the good work up okukudrufo osumichia papa na huye aba tantana sabre na mpanyifo me no ye no wo hye week won kan yomo bekale sabre na wo shira osofo ya nso no wo di nwo kogina asodan na no na asomafo gidi ni wantumi anka odingo na pete water admi say wo wantumi anka
For you, it all.
Ofla Construction and Real Estate. Zamin kanjere we say.
All for you.
Unya iron rods, nadwa. Afi unya blocks. O se woma abo. Afi hiring of trucks, payloader services, real estate developing, afi general construction. Ina waye wo aso ye ho. We wo ofla chikwan. O amonochrome abosuma se na afi koforidia.
All for you.
Bibia na wetumi afrem panyini e wo 0552 957 198 na fe 0279 012954. Ofla Construction also www.oflaconstructionlimited.com. Ofla Construction say your property our priority. Agudu for Mr. Mdo papa nyame shira. Chef who brackets awiem to chemfa ma.
All for you.
Oh you it all for you.
All for you. It is all for you. I dey wait you, Papa. I dey wait you, Mommy. I dey wait you, Papa. Oh, all for you. All for you. It is all for you. All for you. It is all for you.
Pagwasi ajay Ghana okai nyomben na nyomben na betumi ato. What you say yisu ya hina nyomo. Yisu ya hina nyom. Ni aboy ya hina nyom. Ni arebo mpren ara mpren penye ni amebo dwa mu no ni arebo mpren ya hina nyom. Misi yare kwa yen achi Ghana man tini. Hey come na maye. Come na maye. Go Allahu akbar Muhammad Rasulullah Anwana mewan go se kom na ye Zigin Bajoma achidi nimra na menkenka o say ya osebe amakoma himfi watching live from Gospel Oak Barbering Shop. Aha. Hey, Okukudufu now say good afternoon. Tinti.
Esusi.
Kreden.
Yachi. Management.
Tactics man, I say watching the show live and clear. Come now, yeah. Ajay. Kumasi Amekosi, greetings to my wife, Queen Stalbin, and greetings to Tactics man. Papa, come now, yeah. Come, ajay. Na yemfa monko obi aba homa so ye urade. Okay, yemfa ne oba e be fa. What you say? Ubo wura munkuto dia ye be fa uni problem bia.
Esa pessoa casampa. Adia wani se. Osini tiasi. No anyi. Asanu akasa.
Akasa chirami bilibia. Oh my Lord. Yanko Yanga dinyinara. Elise Ayao Rental Services and Co-Store. Elise Ayao Rental Services and Co-Store. Obutu ekroponga kwa mamanfo. Na meno kase ye mame ne na pamfo nyina wobutu. Wo po adwuma papa to wade ye. Na me hwe no a. No ana mewa no komko Johnzy as obi abanti yemfo ne kuna yenko ye anim. Hello. Inani.
Odukro ni o.
Hey, Odukro. What about Uramuntem, papa? Opa, Odentam. Mo. Now, who ye? Okay. Now, okay, Ghana, Nyumbi. Odigro. Odigro. What is the problem? Okay. Don't just say Odigro. Network, is overputting. Enti amami Elise aya okropon akuapem amanfo ho na Elise aya butu na eba ahenema na fe ahene a wode tonsa wode bitu konmu ni ade nansan kura ade se bepreman na kwasoro to bi de bitu nan wode kwa asore ayi ase ni ade ni nyinara obi okwa obenya bi wo ye maami Elise aya o na ahwe ho afei muya moro ware na ope nsem tablecloth na odi asem wo table so na wire fe no bia bisa say na o ma on tamai ko se Elise aya o akropon akuapem obenya bi papa costo yi nam kama me mami wo se nam na frigi papa akoko nam deke ave krokro nam ahuru mia o sebe Oton costo no kwa obenya bi wona ahwe ho no mo okropon akuapem ya chi ya na obutu
ko ferede pejauti ya no sudra
na ye maami Elisa ze wunchi amu na Easter yi on mu ya na ridi 0246 631 831 731 0246 831 731 Mami fala ningu ma betimi afre Ghana nyombi a wunim bia beza woto betimi ato na yabo abien ni ayabo abiesa ni edikan de minim bisa ohwe ne to so abien ne to so abien ni abiesan me se onwuma bo mprempren hina na boy nwuma ne bo mprempren ya nwuma yare boy odo anama wa no kom na maye kom
hello
hinani
Benuye
hello Benuye
hello
Uye
the boy
hello mama
yes the boy
Uye de
Nyame adomi hu
akomani o
okuapema ya nu
faye yemfa mo kwachi kakra o kai Ghana nyombi
nyamna mekaya ne rama bedujo ma wubu
to do ntimi ntu Ghana nyombi ayi se rama bedu yai
Ghana job to say that
oh to say ni ameto first ko me refi ba ku no
where
is the future and the nation cry for you we shall use our children and throw we shall use me come me refi ye urade
wala me rama bedujo ma na me so
okay
ya me dentia ni ana me kai
to kakra na minti yes
ni ana ugusu gbe
na me to kakra
kom na maye kom na maye kom Oniana mewa nu kom
yo and obecha ni pabasa why
yo mati and na mi chia salo e wa monochrome and mo mi chia wo the boy ni wa pam fu nyina wo studio ho mi ready nfi mama ya o
okay
ya ne pa
okay what's one 5 points account points ne ho Ghana ban ebeba wie ken why
Mate.
Medase. Hello. Inani?
Zana mafume bahimia.
Mabahimia.
Papa.
Na yama points ya asa fe na waba o.
You send me because you send me 2 points.
Okay, and then you be ma 3 points. Why?
Mate.
Amanfo ne nam 8 ni ade ba be ma 3. Nti akoma ni o.
To kwa pe ma no.
Mo obetwi ato Ghana nyumbi na o kai bi nso.
Me kai bi.
Okay, yankwe.
Me kai to for hini nyum.
Na najo ida ko hu. Okay, yankwe. Let's go.
Oh, you've been trying to color. Oh, although you can I say.
Where you?
Yes, Mama freestyle.
Okay, I'm on freestyle. Okay. And your mommy boy Nansana. Your mommy Bansana Obano. When I boy say you know. Rama Bedu. Why are the papa? And come on, the papa. Yanko. Who's it?
DJ Ziggy. Papa Blue. And I go out on back to police station. And I'm out for you now.
Yo, you better. What about it into what 3 points? Why? That means what baby? Ube jagum. Medasi. Hello.
Hello.
Hinani.
D-boy.
Original.
D-boy.
Yes, sir.
Oba
Kwame.
Meja.
Akumani o.
Obi akumani.
Hello. Kwame.
Meja.
O Ghana nyumbi, o kai Ghana nyumbi.
Alama Bedunyum.
O kai Ghana nyumbi ana any patriotism. Okay. Tuna yentie.
Alama Beduden.
Debi o kai Ghana nyumbi ana Ghana nyumbi a o kai.
David.
O kai Ghana nyumbi a. Alama Beduden ana o kai.
Yo.
Okay, ne tukakra ne yentie. Hello. Machine. Inani ready. Mewo. Inani my radio no confirm where I'm from. My radio no confirm sister. Hello. Inani
Master Paul.
Hey, Master Paul Abu. Na hu yede.
I don't know if
Good. Ghana man, the main found competition we are now.
Permission.
Okay. And now, my young man,
Arise, Ghana, you for your country. The nation demands your devotion. Let us all unite to uphold and make them great and strong. We are all involved.
We are all
involved. We are all involved. And building a motherland.
Yeah. What kind of message?
Who we are?
Yeah.
Who we are now?
What be ya me ton? Zampo be so. Aje miyamo. Hey, we are Ghana ni ampa.
Yeah, Ghana man.
We are Ghana ni ampa. Na hina nyom nya okay. Okay, but what wa ko na ntie? Sika emoja.
Yeah, mami kantra ode.
Alaba.
Sikanya bwasa na okan. Sikayeni pampa. Sikayemoja.
Money is brand.
Sikayemoja.
Jesus, already.
Sikayemoja.
Okay. Oh, already. Nedi mo kumme.
You know.
Na mi shira wati. Come ni baba say why?
Ni baba sana mi bisa no ma wo no. Me wo obroni ba ko. Anzo you free.
Okay.
Adepam mu nyina wona you free.
McFadden. Hey. Yo. Okay.
Your friend Alex Bossman.
Okay.
Ana ba ko so mpe gale e friend na Zamankwa.
Mr.
Opuma de o 20,000 ni mo.
Majo unti me didi matem wa me mpe gware mesra ho. Me mankata no ubi sa me yiro be ka jiro me mpe gware. E da se di on the first one.
On the first sure.
Okay. E da se pa.
You Ghana for you na u government na so mo ya mo.
Yeah, on be ba. E da se Master Abu.
Maza.
Hello. Inani.
Aye kwa chini o ma nfe.
Kwa chikisi edu. Kwa chi ade efe.
Ka na eye.
Kwacho kumani o.
Ukwamansa.
Mu kwamano. Mu wayade. Na ubeka Ghana nyumbi sani ya master abutu. Ubeka Ghana nyumbi.
Ghana nyumbi di asemu.
Eti go brother home na Ghana kura unkai.
Ane de mekai.
Ane tuna kakana mitie.
Go brother home na Ghana and make our nation great and strong. Go to the first forever. The cause on freedom and the flag. Harris to heal me. This team we can share it. Honesty and help us.
I can't, but Ayaka. And they just according to Chatawal in Tinyari. Okay.
Yes.
No, my boy, Hannah boy.
Yo. Oh, a Raman Pedina and the Minuna and kind of the end of the Emerson, you tell me,
yeah, but we are eating Mensa. Why?
Okay.
Bakuya eating Mensa all for you, no Mensa.
Okay. And if it's my mamma, about some quay, Bob, so not my baby game.
Yeah. Now, Jobia.
Oh, Mithia Miniama, what me village, what around and the mad of you, Gumafiane,
Watch it. I mean, why?
Abra. Yo.
Oh, points never increase. Why?
Yo.
That's a pa. Hello. Inani.
Hey, Okuma Hene, or Sankantan, or one young Makodan.
Hey, Okuma Hene.
Yes.
Odoto Brikisi, I won't judge was you. Ye, Akura mo, and Ramibeshia. Opomu hini. Yo, na mishia ochame computer nti michia ho nyina. Yo. Makro kuma ni o.
Yo, kwapeni.
Medasi nyamisha papa. This O level okay. Medasi instructor. All of me you know makan wo de no. Makro yankwa Ghana man ni ya bo nyom ni bi. Wo kai ni won ebo ni bi a. Wetimi dey atugwa na fe wo Ghana nyom isu a. Wo ka pese wo to betimi ato. Why?
Nyom we me kai Ghana land of freedom. Ghana, land of freedom. Joy. There is joy in our country. Joy. And then you face one.
Mo why are the papa? And by Ramblers, Anna. And by Ramblers and I eat Mensa.
Yo, eat
Mensa. Okay. Don't see by your Juma. Now, but Yankophobia now. But Yankophobia, Dophobia now.
Oh, Mikia, maternity funina.
Okay. You are one to be quiet. That was why. I mentioned papa mo maternity funina. Edamasi. You my ade 0559 667755 Ghana. Nyumbia okay. Any patriotic song. Na fe ni ebo nyuma bie ebiesa. Yewura bebo ba ko yamaye ya obeto ba ko yamaye nyumbi abesa woto bra wo Ghana busumi mui obetumi aba abeto afi obuchi ankrofo bia na wachi honest yekọ yenanim go 055 667755 na adi nyina tumi akonkan ede ama enti odukro wantumi ama bio 0551667755 minchia yewura Sam Yoma wo abiru incoming assembly member. Hello. 0551 667755 0551 667755 Auntie Grace a post office actually yara o se mo so memendane fa me famu ho o se me metesi ntimi don zibeba good na me sha papa yenwura Sam Yoma Oriba assemblyman wo ebiru good na fe yenu abarema Safuri nso abenga ma don't see ba ko ready wa okay
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio
97.1. Obia ba homa no so. Hello.
Hello.
Akumani o.
Kwapmani o.
Baka so kwapman no. Akumani o.
Kwapman no.
Hello.
Hello, hi.
Oh, hinani. Oba me hwa ya me basa. Hinani.
Yeah, only a very mal done and who back one brow.
One bravo.
Yo, Piabraza.
Abuaza.
Yo.
Enemy chamu nyinara.
Yo, Yerabete, one.
Oh, Kwame. Me wo. Me wo ye. Me papa. Yo. Na Kwame. Yo. Abuaza de na michia on ho nyina why?
Michia Abuaza ba tisi de me no ka se de me wo che me wo ya
Mandela. Okay, na wachia.
Ya wo se bi pamade wo dan bia so wo apesua.
Sister Pes. Oh, me sister me na kwampa bo.
Unya apesua de kwampa.
Yes, ya kwa Nazareth ni. Yeah, no ba. Oh. What's it?
Ne bra kwambuafu.
Okay. Owura kwambuafu. Mo nja wachia. Wachia sisi kwa mama me na wachia oparabia.
Obia owo.
Good. Makura. Ghana nyombe na obekai.
Nyomno de ninya metimi ato.
Okay, to be na yanko.
God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. Go to defend forever because of freedom and our flag. Make a house to be realty, make a cherish on SP and help us to raise of perspective in forever and mine forevermore. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I prayed myself to the service of Ghana. And they would have been to Anametungo.
Oh, Meja Buafo.
You mean I'm coming to you now?
Why are the Papa Namesi, ma Apawanisi, Gamafo, Messi?
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I prayed myself in all things to uphold and defend the good. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our fathers. And I pledge myself in all things to uphold and defend the good name of Ghana and the Kwapim. So help me God.
In any day they can offer when you 5 points. What you say? When you 5 points. Now bet you uncle be na makra.
Ritia me bushapra peswa kan na me wopano the late senior di don ko no ye nia so. Don't
the president don't go mama why? You put the na sunsumpe. What you say?
Bonga ane bo sunsumpe.
Emo sunsumpe.
Yo, na me mero. Sunsumpe na me mero. Mi bia anka me ye na susi kansemunti.
Danu mishia ne babia no abnanyante.
Yo, abnanyante.
Wo so menya. Yeah.
Oh, no ye.
Yeah. And then michia wo nyina why?
Yo.
Nyamisha papa why ya
na momo na ya ni nyumo mo me fru wo ye kwapem menu a.
Yati. Memen eno ye ne memen dan memen da besua mama why?
Mate.
Akra why? Eje mama pie sua mama why?
Bo bete. Won so ya kai kwambo ya fu se ni nua bere ma no beka.
Mate. Me wura kwambo ya fu na. Everybody tape na chere nda achi. Hello. Inani.
Odukro ni o masanga baby.
Yes, Odukro has arrived. Just a waba. Odukro. Odaroma mayenkwe. Ghana nyomben. Any patriotic song and I say Ghana nyom wokai ebia yiti mensa wokai just to be na yenko.
So mekai nana pedi nyom.
Okay.
Okay, my sumra suntunko.
Okay. I wait me to kakra.
Oh, baby, me kai ni kan ko na mum to the management.
Oh, na Ghana nyom na wait me ato.
Ghana nyom. And me to Agata.
Agata yanko.
Agata shemeni. Many now Agata shemeni mo biba.
Ping bang.
got to many now. I got to many more.
Why? Sabi, when you 2 points, I count points. No, what? Obechi uncle for Biana.
Oh, Metia, several.
Okay.
When you are to run up with you.
Okay.
Yes, it says in the nuclear authority.
Okay.
That
was it. I didn't know what to 3 side one. Okay, then be what to 3 junction. Me call you know what? Kofrudiano. Midasi. Okay. Marty. Midasi pa. Why? Minoye.
Hello.
Akumenio.
Okuapamangano.
Minoye.
Papa.
Na huye.
Me huye.
Ogogo ase.
Me wo abuasa.
Abuasa minoye wo abuasa. Yo minoye. Mayenkwe. O ka ga na nyombi.
Yo.
Okay. Ni o ka fa to na yenkwe.
Jino mayu. Gana manya wara audio. Jino mayu. Men kan se won fa hun. Jino mayu. Gana manya wara audio. Jino mayu. Men kan se won fa hun. Mama yenyina mom. Yemfa okroye entina. Biakuye bread yo ni fa bread yo. Mama yenyina mom. Obiara nye na famudio. Omambe nyankoso. Gana bitumpo. Amen.
Minoye.
Papa.
Hello.
Papa.
Minoye.
Papa.
Oko kwa kakra na.
Me kwa kakra.
Ewa infa.
Me kwa presby.
Okay. Why are the papa. Why are the nyamisha cheni papa sana yenkwe?
Michia abuasafo nyina, michia me badges. Michia okomanfo ampanyifo nyina. Amen.
Yo, me da se papa me wo se meja frɛ me na. Me papa frɛ me na oni nini nkomo akiri. Na when you 2 points aka points why? Why? Oh, minoye nya 2 points aka ne points ne ho. 0554667755 na ya kra kwambo afuka se ye mo sinedi don konwom mfama no nti ye nkwa aba. Koi.
Hello.
Ineni. Abina pacho kase finfa. Okumeni o abina.
Okuyapimangano.
Yo, okay, okuyapimchi mani yede okuyapimangano. What? Otenfa.
Pacho no osign bro.
O sign bro kwa mi yedi mu wo. O sign bro unu magosu ansa no.
Pacho yi.
Yo, na hu yede.
Nyame adom na wo so.
Nyame de ache me papa me hu yede nti se tworo kronkron ne asore dem kwadashin obi ani wo ho. Asore dem kwadashin de bi nyina e bi za prezi catkis. Wotimi kanu akase na otwetwa mu yenya CD ha ne achi mpesua de wotwe nkete kan hu bi. Agosia.
Okay.
Yeah. Na oka ga na nyumbi.
Pacho you kakra.
Okay, kakra na oka no mayenkwe na to my why?
Okay. Okay. Mama yenye nya yebetu mi biara ifa mwa ye mai kana
Hasana yako nananum mpina yebiko hedumine oso enso seyebeyebi edaso aso.
Sister.
Hello.
Yeah, o number no me dem ma producer why? And then they can friend. And then they can friend na.
Okay.
Me say nani dey the can friend na.
Pacho Debbie.
Okay, what afre won?
Pacho you.
Akosua na
Abena.
Okay, Abena wa infa pot na yeah. Don't this or show what you kwan.
Ni wo baby a
statue. Oh, go. Kwame adi ho.
Pacho you.
Okay. So nim kwame adi no your sports no.
You.
Good. Okay. Don't you very sure why?
Okay,
and then Mama Max, what you say?
Max.
Why are the Panama info? But your mama friends today?
No, what? I tell your friend of Millicent.
Okay.
One kind.
Okay.
Papa.
Okay.
And I'm a dobia, the chairman of a phone na, my classmates phone na. She'll be a no one to me Boston na.
Go school, eh?
Fashion go school for your mind.
Okay, okay, my primary and secondary and KG.
Secondary.
Okay. No, grab man, so grab man, your children in this thing. Okay. Oh, now, Yamisha, what to you, Papa? Only the pa. Yamisha, pa. But Medas, Yamisha, Papa. Don't see the idea, Gumuno. Oh, in an oh, 900. Hey. Uyario, Sebi. Engineer Kisiedu, and you may Makura Michiao. You can't call CEO Michiao. Manya Mexico, darling. Abrahama, President Akumba was on train me. I got it there. Hello. Bajo wuye.
Me wuye.
Ade su konkron be ni.
Ma shara me di me hu esi we kwambo afu nyumu na me ye na wabo ameme na etire say yiti mu sisi na mpa.
Oh fanya me shira o.
Yes. Na kampa so bo unya wi so no wabo ameme.
No.
Ankunam nya me aye no nam.
Okay.
Ye kirida ankunam nya me aye no.
Ankunam nya me wa ha. Nsuro why?
Yo, no nama ye nsuro. Ye no nama ye bohu na nimgwa se nkoka ende biara ntina ye no nam.
Mati ase. Me ya ma why? Me da se pa.
Me da se. Itiu na musu witi ya.
Me da se. Oh, uncle Kwame Boafo. Hello. Hinani?
Hana.
Na me say uncle Kwame Boafo ara. Ana huye. Okay. Gana nyombe na okay.
Ma amai se munye wiya se. Na gane wana pa. Eya nyomenya. Se ole wampaya. Eya ayana. Se unyan kopo. Fagana senonsa. Enona wo ya mind bapa. Enona wo ado. Ado ma o mind. Adwara na yeshisha adama umai adwara na yehia asomewie
Anna
asa
wanya 5 marks aka marks no wati
asayo
Mr. Ghana bosu mekwa wie na be surprise ni pa ha wati ase
asayo
uti udin wa beji na ubechi ankrofo bi ana
labio
unje obi aza one wiasefo nyina ya aka na Anna eja to udem ahina na bedum na ma o
fire service
mo why are the why Eh, chofila mama why? Kaje say awoda no yebedi why? That's papa. Don't see. I'm say nyoma ye papa kwambo African no enini. Ne say yeah, miti. Hey. Dabi nyeni. Oh, he's a mission movie Kumasi o. Amakoma infi. Or from a tactics man. Oh, he's from me O level swimming instructor. I work at CBA Hotel. Greetings to all CBA Hotel staff. O level. Member kwa CBA too much. Kwame Isaac na ye no man to me amba. Sister Rita Duke Room. Sister Rita nyumre mi chiao. Mina apiesiwa Miami sister mi bibiara. Ya bompa ya bomupen. Still we are together. Na me kampa basem yi. Manya masiko dali. Erenche ibenum bio. 529. There will be a maybe odia. Na maya de papa enne ye twa manu tumuntam. Machira modo. Kai. Don't think if you don't come boss need don't come my the boss a banker. A banker. We are now our bar brand to be or a left-handed. Obo guitar, papa bass guitar. Go darling. Dokuno fu amu ebiru careful no mu nyina mi chia mu ebiru junction wonu mu dokuno fu ni nyina security no mu wo fa no mu ode mo ma memfa ni nyimani aba so daka mu eshu don't say the basi ndi yegina yada masipi eyeyen okuma radio fo na nyame ya adomu a anwumre yebefa news ni wia enkai bo beto yaso DJ Donzi obeto yaso DJ Vibe beto yaso beto makop ma homache osofo ebeba anu achi no otena no pa no okuma nkasa betena ase ani na tumi akwanka namu ya sports mrante beba if ya kofa news ke bobo nyuma na drive nso yaba kakra grasa na ochena so ye de akwakugu so nyame nti obema de paachi yen onyame hwe okuma nso ohwe kwap manso ye ne atiefu nyinara na de hwe mo so Parliament Sport ye mami obuo no ofa Julius afi ofa ata mama ho ye fedodo na ye mfa nche ne bi ma obed nso sabri de mas ye wura santu ye wura furo mi nche na kwa me agrahine agra mi chia onyame hwa ye nso ya Ghana bosumi be ye nhira ne adom de ama ye mi chia kokko asefu nyinara don't be dawasi siki bi mi dawasi McFadden afe Bella ene eye Pa Solomon mi dawasi papa the number 4 1 2 3 4 onope na Australia and so kra 4 letter words 6 yes ya 6 ne S I X 3 pe 4 yeah 1 2 3 4 Australia so ekra 4 letter words FOUR 4 Ewurade nka ho o mensu yi o hwo hore masem odoma incident yewura Sam Yoma bichiao sanso na Ataja yewura Ataja me da wase papa onne ma me ho ye me de nkomo ne de ho be ye ne kama e de ama sabridi Donzi mincha yewura ke bi na na sene fancy ya yen soro so ya mincha mu nyina bye bye.
Okuma Radio